Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now substitute in formula. Share above top activity here.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise you can write under the then f of xy is equal to what? F of 0. What is f of 0? 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial x into fx. Fx at 0, 0 is what? 1 na? 0 I think so. Fx value 0, f double x value 0, f triple x value 0. Correct? Sir, right or wrong? Hello?
Right, sir.
So fx per term won't come. Plus y into fy is what? 1. This term over. Then 1 by 2 factorial x square into fx x 0. 2xy, fxy is what? 1. So 2xy will get it. Plus y square into fyy. So minus y square. Plus 1 by 3 factorial into x cube into f triple x raised to 0. Then 3x square into fxxy. So 3x square y into fxxy 1 plus 3xy square into minus 1 plus y cube into 2. If you simplify, what you will get? F of xy into who is f of xy? If you want, you can write a power x. This is up to third term only. It may go up to infinity also. I stopped with because this is asked to third degree. I am stopping at third degree. It may go up to infinite also. Okay, e power x log of 1 plus y is equal to, how can you write? 1 plus y plus xy minus y square by 2. 3 factor is 6. 6 means how many times it will go? 2 times goes. So 1 by 2 x square y plus 1 minus 1 by 2 xy square plus 1 by 3 y cube. Copy down, sir. Come on, take another question. Suppose about some point means how we do. Use Taylor series of two variables, expand. Very good compulsory question, sir. X square y plus 3y minus 2 in powers of x plus 1 y minus 2. Means at what point is expanding, can you tell? X is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2, correct? So powers of x minus a, y minus b means what? At a comma b, already told you, no? Remember or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
I think only one student only responding out of 32 students. Remaining what about, I don't actually. If people are there or not. So if you don't respond, means fully I will do the absent every day. At least speak yes or no actually. If you don't understand, tell me I'm not understanding.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
We are here,
Speak.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good, very good. Yes, yes. I need that sound that you can disturb me, but you can tell properly, you can disturb. Okay, yeah. But I don't know whether you are alive or not there, somewhere you are roaming. At least you sit in front of the computer, you can listen to the class. If I ask the question, you can respond. Now, see, f of x by at a comma b means how can you write actually? Listen, f of a b about one point I'm expanding ab plus 1 by 1 factorial x minus a fx at a comma b fx at a comma b plus y minus b fy at a comma b. That's understanding. I'm not writing here because not sufficient place actually. 1 by 2 factorial x minus a whole square fxx at a comma b plus 2 into x minus a y minus b fxy at a comma b plus y minus b whole square at fyy at a comma b. 1 by 3 factorial x minus a whole cube f triple x at a comma b. Then 3 into x minus a y minus b whole square fxyy at a comma b. 3xy square plus 3x square y. 3 x minus a whole square y minus b fxxy at a comma b plus y cube. Y cube means what? Y minus b whole cube fyy at a comma b. It will go up to infinity. I am stopping at third degree. Clear? About
Okay,
some
sir.
point second, right? So its point is telling expand in powers of x plus 1 y minus 2. X plus 1 means what? X is equal to what actually? Minus 1. Y is equal to what? 2. At the point is asking what? Expand at minus 1 comma 2. Instead of asking x plus 1 minus y minus 2, they may ask this series you can expand at minus 1 comma 2. Don't confuse. Correct? Clear?
Yes, sir. Indirectly they are giving, sir.
The powers itself given means what? You can, if they ask point means what is what? X is equal to minus 1 means what? If you bring inside means what? X plus 1. Y is equal to 2 means what? Y minus 2 powers of. If they give it powers with the minus 1 comma 2, suppose if they ask 1 comma 2 means what? What power you will get? Tell me. Equation will be what power? Expand at 1 comma 2 means what powers you will get?
X minus 1,
X minus 1.
y minus 2.
Hey, y minus 2, very good. Suppose a comma minus pi by 6 means how you will write it? What power you will get?
X minus a,
Ah,
y plus pi by
X
6.
plus.
that is part actually. So all power should be in terms of what? X minus a, y plus pi by 6. Don't confuse. The same problem they may ask expand in terms of x minus a, y plus pi by 6 also. So directly if the point also goes, so okay, you can able to do. About point if they tell us, you can able to do. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Super. Now, at 1 minus 1 comma 2, write formula f of xy. This if you want at a comma b, general formula you can write. F of xy at where I want, sir? Minus 1 comma 2. Now write f of minus 1 comma 2. F of minus 1 comma 2 plus 1 by 1 factorial x plus 1 fx at minus 1 comma 2. I am not mentioning actually. plus y minus 2 fy at 1 comma minus 2. Then 1 by 2 factorial x plus 1 whole square. Clear this? You can complete all of you. Fxx then plus 2 into x plus 1 y minus 2 fxy plus y minus 2 whole square fyy. So on. Copied. Now, what is my f of x? May tell me now. Shalabha,
Yes, sir.
Sir,
F
one
of
minute.
x is x square y plus 3y minus 2.
minus 2. F of xy is equal to what? X square y plus 3y minus 2. Okay. Now come on. F of minus 1 comma 2 is what? Put x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2. So what will get? 2 plus 6 minus 2. So 6, correct? Sir, clear?
Yes, sir. Sit, sir.
Now you can find fx. What is fx? 2xy. Now fx at minus 1 comma 2. Fx at minus 1 comma 2 means what? Minus 4.
Minus 2. Yes.
Then fy. Fy is what? X square plus 3. Fy at minus 1 comma 2 is what? 1 plus 3, 5. I'm sorry,
1
4.
plus 3, 4.
Sorry. Then fxx. Fxx is what? 2y. Fxx is what? 2y. Then fxx at minus 1 comma 2 is what? 4.
That is 4. Yes, sir.
Fxy is what? Fxy is what? What you have done fy, that fellow you can do with respect to x. 2x.
2x.
Now fxy at minus 1 comma 2 is what?
Minus 2.
Very good. And 2. Fyy 0. Fy is this fellow. Fyy is 0. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Then up to third degree of means what? You can go for third differentiation. F triple x is what? F triple x.
0.
0. Whatever may be point, it's vanished. Then F double xy is what? Fxy with respect to x is what? That is 2. Okay, how nicely coming. Carefully how to do. Then Fxy. F double y is what? Where is F double y? F double y already 0. Waste. So waste. Correct, I said. Then what I want? F triple y, yeah? Correct or not? 3x square by 3xy square x cube. Then y cube coefficient is what? Fyy. Fyy is what? 0. See how nicely it's standing. In third degree, this one fellow is standing. Remaining all are vanished. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now come on, write the Fourier series already you are familiar already one first time written. I don't want to write now. Directly I will write the problem now. F of x y. Who is my f of x y? X square y plus 3y minus 2 is equal to how can I write? F of minus 1 comma 2. Who is f of minus 1 comma 2? 6 as 1 by 1 factorial x plus 1 fx. So minus 4 into x plus 1. Are you agree? Then y minus 2 into fy. Correct? So plus 4 into y minus 2. Sir, clear?
Agree, sir.
Then 1 by 2 factorial x plus 1 whole square into fxx. Who is fxx? 4r.
Yes, sir.
Then 2xy. 2xy means what? 2 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 plus 2 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 fxy. Fxy value is what, sir? What is fx value?
-2.
Very good. Then fyy is waste, vanish. I don't want to write. Plus 1 by 3 factorial. Which term stands actually? F triple x 0.
Only fxyy, sir. fxyy.
fxy, yeah. F double xy.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir. F double
Then,
x.
then how you will write? 3 into, who will come? 3 into x plus 1 whole square into y minus 2. Clear? Sir, 3x square y. Instead of x, I am writing x plus 1.
Okay, sir.
Because about point, you know, generally formula I can remember 3x square y in inside. But while writing what, in x place you can change as x plus 1, y place you can change as y minus 2.
Got it, sir.
Okay, yeah. Now simplify, sir. 6. Powers of minus don't simplify. X plus 1, y minus 2 can keep as is. Plus 4 if you take outside means what? Minus of x plus 1 plus y minus 2. 2 factorial means what everywhere? It's 2 cancel means what? Plus 2 into x plus 1 whole square minus 2 into x plus 1 y minus 2. Then 6 cancel means what? X plus 1 whole square into y minus 2. So in powers also don't confuse. Sir, clear? So maximum minimum also Now we're going back to maximum minima. Then what is the maximum minima? Then what is the first condition? First step is what f of x by they will give you. What you will do?
Find RT minus S square.
Before RT minus x square, what you will do?
Fx equal to 0, Fy equal to
important. Fx equal to 0, Fy equal to 0, you will get bunch of points. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, x5, y5. So many points you will get. Correct? Taking these all points, now you can go for RT minus S square. Who is our fxx? T is what? Fyy. RT minus S square. S is what? Fxy. PQRST. Correct? So RT minus S square greater than 0 for which points this value is greater than 0. So at these points my function attains either maxima or minima. Correct?
yes, sir.
So if it is first door will open RT minus S square greater than 0 means what? Take that points, all points you can keep one side. Then what you will do? Taking this point I will check either R and T. If R is greater than 0 means what? RT minus S square guarantee greater than 0. Next step is what? If R is greater than 0 means what you will say? Function attains great means what? Reverse.
Minima, sir.
Very good. Function attains minimum at x1, y1. Then minimum is what? F of x1, y1. Minimum is different. At what point is different? Maybe you will get at 10 points also get minimum. But minimum value is unique value. If you say minimum value is 1 means what? Whatever may be point, if you substitute, you will get 1, 1, 1 only. You will get 10 points minimum. Here also minimum, here also minimum, here also minimum, here also minimum. But position is different. Reaching or not? Minimum value is unique, but you may have so many points. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next case. If RT minus S square is greater than 0, R is less than 0. If R is less than 0 means automatically T also less than 0. Don't worry. Correct? If R is less than 0 means what you will say? Function attains. Less means what? Reverse. Function attains what?
Maxima.
Maximum. What is the maximum? F of x1 by 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is, but RT, so I have a bunch of points. RT minus S square less than 0 means what you will say? RT minus S square less than 0 means what you will say? That points are what? What will happen?
Means neither maxima nor minima saddle points, sir.
Very good. Excellent, sir. So, RT minus S square is less than 0 means what? Points are called saddle points, neither maxima nor minima. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
RT minus S square is equal to 0 means what you will say? We go for further investigation. We are not in your level, we are not dealing. Up to here, clear?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Next topic is what? Constraints in maxima, constraint the Lagrange's multipliers. Constraint. What is the meaning of constraints? Constraint means what? Constraints means what is the meaning, sir? Condition. Constraints means what? Some conditions. Correct or not? So, constraints of sir, they will use some function f they will use. F they will do actually f of x, y, z or mod a of a given function. They will give one condition. G is what? Given condition. G of. Just listen. That is true as means true only can be. G means after 4 also you can do. This is what given condition. They will tell you condition. This is the function. Function is what? To find maximum or minimum, they will tell. Find it reaches maximum, it's reach minimum, and this condition. Correct? Any doubt? So Lagrange's function, how can you prepare this one? Capital F is equal to F plus lambda G. G means what? Given. Given first letter G, I am taking G. Some textbooks they will use 5, but I am using G only. F is what? To find function. What function you will find maximum minimum, you can take as a F. They will tell you, find the maximum of in this condition. So, given condition, you can take G to find what function. Reading the problem, you will understand. While doing the problem, I explain, don't worry. So, F is what? The given function. You have to find maximum or minimum. G is what? Given condition. Clear, sir? They will give a big line actually. You have to choose yourself. This is who is the function, what is the condition. Given condition is G of X, Y, Z, you can take. To find function, what function you are finding maximum minimum, that you can call F. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
equation. This is the main equation. F is equal to I will get F plus lambda G. From this I will do dou F by dou X. Constants of multiplier means what? Dou F by dou X is equal to 0 means what? Implies what I will get? Dou F by dou X plus lambda into dou G by dou X is equal to 0. Then these are the multipliers condition. Using this I will do the problem, don't worry. Dou F by dou Y is equal to 0 means what implies? Dou F by dou Y plus lambda into dou G by dou Y is equal to 0. Then dou F by dou Z is equal to 0 means what implies? Dou F by dou Z plus lambda into dou Z by dou Z is equal to 0. Then last, I don't want to use this. Some textbooks, many textbooks, they will use dou F by dou lambda is equal to 0. Implies means what? G is equal to 0. This is nothing but given condition only. I don't want to use actually. I don't want to stress them that condition. It's already in my hand available. I will use. Up to here, you can copy down, sir. Guarantee one question from Lagrange's multipliers. In Taylor series also, the beautifully they will ask e power x means what in sin y. One is function of x, one is function of y. They don't combine. E power of xy plus x square xy whole square means what? Headache actually. Multiplication you have to do. If you do x by constant means what? Y will be, you can treat as a constant, it won't disturb. If multiple they are given means what? E power, that is what? A sin of xy into x into sin y means what? Collapse you can have to. So that's why they will do nicely. One function means what? One function will be treated as nicely, it will stay slow, calmly. Like this only, the simple problems only they will do, but you have to do differentiation carefully. This you can note down, constraints of Lagrange's multipliers. Small f of x is what? Given function to find maximum minimum. G is what? Given condition. Then auxiliary equation what will be? Capital F is equal to F plus lambda G. These are the multipliers. Dou F by dou x equal to 0 means what? Small dou F by x is equal to lambda T equal to 0. Dou F by dou y is equal to 0. Dou F by dou z is equal to 0. Dou F by dou lambda is equal to 0. Up to you can copy down. What is the first number, sir? Roll number 126 or 27?
28, sir.
128.
128. Give witness. 28. 29.
Present, sir.
30. 130. 29. Yesterday are you attend the class?
Yes, sir. Attended, sir.
Very good. 131.
131 present, sir.
Attended yesterday class.
Yes, sir. Attended, sir.
32.
Present, sir.
Attended yesterday
Sir, more, sir,
class.
please.
Yes, sir.
What?
Sir, please move, sir.
33.
Copy it, sir.
Present, sir. Yesterday I
34.
attended class, sir.
Very good. 35.
Present, sir. Yesterday attended, sir.
Very good. 36.
Present, sir. Yesterday attended, sir.
37. What, sir?
Present, sir. 37.
Attended or not?
Yes, sir. Attended, sir.
Okay. 37. 38.
37. 37 present, sir. Unattended, sir.
Very good. 38.
Present, sir. Attend பண்ண சார் நேத்து.
Okay. 39.
Present, sir. Yesterday attend, sir.
40.
Present, sir.
Attended.
Yesterday attend the class, sir.
But in the group lo join pandiya, WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 42. Come today. If I call miss, come. I will inform you again. Okay. Me or Arun Prakash I will take today also some class. Tomorrow also we take class. Okay. 41.
Present, sir.
Attended.
Attended, sir.
You can tell after attendance. You can tell yes or no. 42.
Present, sir. Yesterday attendance, sir.
Very good. 43.
Yes, sir. Attendance, sir.
Only 2 people are missed. I think so. 44.
Present, sir. Attend the class.
45.
Present, sir. Yesterday attended, sir.
All of you joined in group. 46.
Sir, present, sir. Yesterday attended, sir.
Very good. 47.
Present, sir.
48.
I have attended.
47.
Yes, sir. I have attended the class yesterday, sir.
48.
Present, sir. Yes, I have attended yesterday.
Very good. 49.
Present, sir. Yesterday attend the class, sir.
50.
Present, sir. Yesterday attend the class, sir.
Very good. 51.
Yes, sir. Yesterday attended the class, sir.
Very good. 52.
Yes, sir. Yesterday attended the class, sir.
53.
Yes, sir. Yesterday attended the class, sir.
54. 54. Is there or not? 54. Mike is not. Srirama 54.
Sir, yes, sir. 53, sir. Sriram.
54. 55. Overall. Last number is what?
159, sir.
55. 55.
Yes, sir. 155. Present, sir.
155.
Present, sir.
Attended yesterday class.
Yes, sir. I had attended, sir.
Very good, very good.
Sir, 130 also present, sir, but he has network issue, sir. He sent a message.
Hey, every day he's telling. Yesterday also same. I'm there. Arun Prakash, I'm sitting there. He same thing he said actually. Then how can he continue class? I don't know.
Sir, 128 present, sir.
He said he can.
Wait. I'll come after that. Up to where I'm standing now? Up to where I
155 finished this, sir. 155 finished.
finished. Now I'll come. Wait. After this I'll come. 56.
Present, sir. Yesterday attended, sir.
Very good. 57.
Present, sir. Yesterday attend the class, sir.
58.
Present, sir. Yesterday attend the class, sir.
Then yesterday 130 and that one boy maybe not attended. I think so. 59.
Present, sir. Yesterday I have attended the class, sir.
Yes. Everyone attended. Only 2 people only missed yesterday. Now tell me, 128 is there?
Yes, sir. I attended yesterday also, sir. I'm
But
present,
why
sir.
are not doing attendance? Then
I had
130.
network issue, sir. Just now.
So 130 yesterday I had attend the class, sir.
Okay. Now you are 130, huh?
Yes, sir.
What is your number? Name? Melvin.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Attended yesterday class, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then why are you telling daily network? Where are you now?
Sir.
எங்க இருக்க நீ இப்போ? எந்த ஏரியா?
சார் வீட்டில் தான் சார்.
அதாவது எந்த ஊர்ல இருக்கா?
ஜெயங்கொண்டம் சார், அரியலூர் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்.
அது ஓகே. நெட்வொர்க் வருதா இல்லையா?
மழை பெஞ்சதுனால இப்போ கம்மியாக இருக்கு சார் இப்போ.
பட் பாரு டெய்லி கிளாஸ் மிஸ் பண்ண கஷ்டம் தானே?
ஆமாம் சார்.
யூ ஆல்சோ லூஸ் ஆக்சுவலி. அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு ஒன்றும் பெரிய விஷயம் இல்லை. டெய்லி பிரசன்ட் போடுற பட் கிளாஸ் போன மார்க் எங்க வரும் அது பார்த்துக்கோ. ஓகேயா?
ஓகே சார்.
நெட்வொர்க் எது நல்லா இருந்தா அது மாதிரி சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கோ ஆக்சுவலி சிம் கார்டு பார்த்து.
ஓகே சார்.
ஏன்னா அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் கொடுக்கறது டெய்லி நான் பிரசன்ட் பண்ணணும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. பட் கிளாஸ் போனா திருப்பி வராது.
வீட்ல இருந்து வந்துட்டேன் சார். கிளாஸ் நடக்கிறப்ப வீட்ல இருந்து கிளம்பி வந்துருவேன் சார்.
ஓகே ரைட். இங்க தான் இருக்கு. யூனிவர்சிட்டியில இருக்கியா இப்போ?
இல்ல சார் வீட்ல இருந்து கிளம்பி இங்க வெளியில எங்க மாமா வீட்டுக்கு வந்துருவோம் சார்.
Okay, okay, right, okay. 154. So absent only 154, sir. Okay, sir, you can leave, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
bye.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, bye,
Sir.
sir.
Class
you, sir.
I will send you in group actually. Okay, 1 hour before I will inform. I will see what is my timetable, what is my work, then I will decide. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Better come and join.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye, bye.